In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Photo Viewer can't display this picture. So let's get started. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. Then you have to click on System on the left pane, click on Display. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. And then click on this option, Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Click on the Color Management. Click on Color Management again. So once this window is up, in the color management window. So make sure to choose the right display. And from here, if there are any profiles, just simply click on that and click on remove. So once done, click on the advanced. And here you will find device profile. Just simply click on the drop down and choose this one, Agfa Soup Standard. Okay. And then you have to click on close. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.